Jamaican style chicken curry. I have lots of videos on my channel on how I season my chicken. And of course I add a little curry on the chicken because that is my business, not yours. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Welcome to Shelly's Jamaican Bickle and lifestyle vlogs, and I hope guys you're watching my lifestyle videos. So I added a little olive oil to my pot, some turmeric, and I'll be adding a little dash of curry in it to burn for a quick, I would say less than a minute. I don't want my curry to be dark. Turmeric also helps to add color, and better pack curry is my curry. That's what I love. That's my favorite curry, better pack. And then of course I added my chicken to my oil. I don't use water to cook my curry chicken. Listen, them chicken here full of water. I don't know where so much water come from in the chicken, but listen, added my chicken to my pot, and then I just covered. Smoked paprika, little salt, curry powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, all purpose added to season my chicken. No seasoning salt. The Maggi chicken bouillon does have a little MSG in it, and I don't use seasoned salt to cook. Once I added in my curry, I just stir this a little, cover, and you will be surprised to see how much water is coming from this chicken, and it does not have ice in it. Curry springs water. And with them American chicken, you all know. And yes, I added a little ginger. I did not have a lot. I did add some ginger in my chicken. Once my chicken was there steaming, I added in bell pepper, onions, purple, white, lots of garlic, escallion, thyme, the whole works, and the little piece of ginger that I found that looked like it almost lost. And I added this, and I'm gonna be adding some hot pepper. Once the chicken starts to build water up or steam, then I added my seasoned cake. I don't like to be eating chicken or any meat and taste the seasoning. Look at my pot, oh it looks colorful. Your girl angle triangle this one, and look at this. You see what I told you? Water is in the bell pepper, the onion, everything. I did not add any water to my curried chicken. And listen, something went wrong and there was no light there, so the pot looked a little bit dark. I did this with a little callaloo rice on the side, and I totally forgot to do a video of this, but you'll see at the end I'm showing you how much water is in this. Leave your pot and allow it to steam, cook down, dry down. See, mine is still cooking, and it's my business. I added carrots and some Irish because that's my business. Don't come and tell me Irish don't go in curry chicken, only carrots. Listen, it's my pot. I do whatever I want to do. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching, and your girl angle triangle this chicken curry. Look on girl food, little mac and cheese on the side and some veggie. Listen, watch curry chicken. Thank you guys. See you soon. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching my video.